Hello guys, today we learn what is VLOOKUP in Excel. Let us see. The VLOOKUP in Excel is a function for looking up a piece of information from a dataset and getting some corresponding value to it. Let us understand with one example. In other way we can say that VLOOKUP function says look for the piece of information, for example apple, and in this data set and tell me some corresponding information about it, like price of apple. Let us see master table of fruits like fruit name, quantity and price. You can see there is apple, their quantity and their price 220. Same way avocado, black grape, cherry, coconut and custard apples. All the fruits have a quantity and their price. So by using VLOOKUP, you can check what is the current price, what is the price from the master table. So let us see the VLOOKUP syntax. Equal VLOOKUP and lookup value. For that, we want to get the corresponding value from the table or dataset, and table array is that you can select the dataset in Excel sheet, and column index like in Excel we will go then 1 2 3, that is column index means where you want to get the value of that column, and range lookup there is value true and false. If you will take false, then exact match will be occurs. Now let us see what an example. Open Excel sheet and you can see here there is serial number, fruit name and quantity and their price. There is the master tables. You can see like 26 rows are there. Now here, now I have a list of fruits. Now I want to know the price of this fruit. We will use VLOOKUP. So for VLOOKUP, put equal VLOOKUP, then lookup value. You have lookup value this, and also that is table. Put the table array. Then after that need to put column index means what value you need to put 3 1, what you need to put column index means 1 2 3, so put here 3, then after that put comma and false for exact match, and then close and press enter. So you will get price of apple is 220. When you scroll down also you will get the price of fig and papaya. In the case of large list like 50,000, so taking more time. So what we will do, we will take a validation and then after that you will we look up. So take go to validation point, data, then data validation, put on data validation, take a value like list, then source need to select. I have select the source and click on OK. So you can see here there is drop down option when which value you will check, corresponding price will get here. So let us use the VLOOKUP for this. VLOOKUP lookup value, comma, table array, need to take this table array, then after that take the column index means price 3, then put the false for exact match, then close it and press enter. So here you will get price of papaya, and you can put here fruit name. When you choose in drop down field other like pear, you will get the price of pear. When you choose other fruit like mango, so you will get the name price of the mango. So that's why we can use the VLOOKUP in the Excel sheet. Also, it is used for compare the data which is available or not available in the list. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.